I wake up early because of running.
Oh.
So, mas madami akong
mas mahaba na yung
na-achieve.
morning mo.
Oo, baka hindi na ako baby like nung 20s ko na.
True.
Kailangan ko ng mahabang
Tulog
tulog.
tayo buong umaga.
Oo, ngayon oh my God, ito na yung trend tayo era. Na parang ayoko
I think
nagdanap,
so.
sumasakit ulo ko. Ganun.
Sobra na yung tulog mo.
Oo,
Diba?
tama.
Tama na, sakit na ng ulo ko.
Hala,
Oo.
totoo pala yan. Akala ko ako lang to. Pag sobra yung tulog,
Pag sobra,
masakit ang ulo.
Welcome to the club.
Okay. That's nice to know.
Pero like kanina tinatanong ko si Nicole, grabe yung figure. Like nagda-diet ka ba? Hindi daw.
Hindi, ano lang, isa yan sa mga gifted talaga.
Yun nga eh.
Mga favorite ni Lord.
Oy, grabe naman. Yung jeans lang, jeans.
Marami akong
feeling
kaibigan
ko.
sa binibining Pilipinas na magugulat ka. Akala mo jetang-jeta sila.
Oo.
Ang lakas nila mag-rise.
Oh, the appetite is cargador level.
In-offer ko, gusto ko ng bread. Hintayin ko na lang po yung rice. Na yan naman ako.
Diba?
Pero, share ko nga sa kanya kanina yung mga learnings ko rin nung nagpumatak ako ng mga 30 plus. Na-
30-something.
Yeah, na yung nutrition, yung protein,
Oo.
diba?
Yeah.
So parang ngayon,
Yung calorie
Dahil
counting,
dyan,
hindi talaga ako
andito na.
marunong dyan.
hindi pa. Pero like, kunyari, full activity. You eat whatever you want, ganon.
Yeah.
Saya.
The more reason to eat everything you want. Pero mas nagiging mindful ka rin. Like, okay, kailangan ko ng veggies. Ang tagal ko na hindi nag-veggies. Yung mga ganong things.
Right. And lumalawak yung group of friends.
Yeah.
Ang
That's
healthy
true.
din nun. For
Oo.
me, yung quality group
Mm.
of people. Kasi for me, yung mga gumigising na maaga, nag-workout, ibang mindset din yung napipick up mo sa mga ganong klaseng tao. Hindi lang yung mga
Yeah.
friends na lumalabas kayo sa gabi. Di ba? You have friends na sobrang active naman. You have friends, different hobbies, different group of people eh. Unless it's the same group of people that you hang out with in every activity that you do.
Kind of the same. Pero
Okay.
also, like, I didn't think I would find new best friends in my life in my 30s.
Diba?
Kasi nung nag-pickleball ako, tennis, eto recent trip ko to Bangkok, nag-ano lang kami, sabi ko, Pats, tayo, parang nangangati ako. Last year pa ako walang travel. Gusto mo mag-tennis retreat? Ganon sa Bangkok. Tapos,
May
as
ganon.
kalag ka rin siya. Kasi siya naman, she's 40 to single. So, parang, mga not tied down na girlies, di ba? Anytime, pwedeng lumipad. So,
Walang mga responsibilities.
walang responsibility sa buhay. Hi,
Correct.
mom. Hi,
Correct.
mom. Ayun, so parang lumipad kami, book kami, Bangkok. Tapos nag-craft na lang kami ng sarili naming parang wellness retreat. Yeah, so I didn't think na makakahanap pa ako ng best friends through sports because of sports. And also, you get to reconnect with a lot of people nga rin na walang expectations to be best friends naman.
Right.
Pero they are the people you
Connect.
talk to in the morning. Like,
Right.
it's interesting. Yeah.
And isa sa mga benefits talaga being in your 30s. Yun nga, nakakapag-book ka last minute.
Yeah. Well, pero
afford.
Yeah,
Wala.
pero kung, like, wala ka pang like me, parang ang saya. Pero now, I have that freedom naman to like travel. Like, ngayon nga sabi ko, punta pala akong Bacolod. Ganon. Pero same with now that I'm out of volleyball, parang ang dami ko nakilala. Ikaw nakilala kita, pickleball,
Yeah.
diba? Pero parang batchmates tayo. Hindi, nag-abot tayo sa Ateneo.
Yeah. Pero hindi kita nakita naglalakad sa Gonzaga.
Ako,
Walang
hindi rin
ganong
kita-
moment.
hindi ko na
Siguro
siya
training ka
nakita.
ng
Kasi
training.
super athlete siya.
Yun.
Oo.
Parang ako naman baliktad. Parang now lang ako nag-explore din. After like parking volleyball. And I get what you're saying na yun nga, parang nag-expand yung group of friends ko. Like, ikaw, sila Paul. So, parang, and find best friends also.
Pero how does it feel na nag-start ka early with your family and then now in your
Iba rin
30s? Like, is it a reset ba? Can you get your 20s back in a way? Well, na-curious lang ako. Kasi kami ni Mari MJ,
medyo,
diba?
yeah.
Yeah, it's
Medyo
something
early.
I wish.
Ito nga.
Okay, okay. Listening, Mare.
Good question.
Guess
I think baliktad yung akin kasi parang for the last 10 years, I was baby making. Sinasabi ko nga,
Tama.
I was in the University of baby making, baby, growing. So I feel like nandun lang ako motherhood ako last 10 years. But at the same time, supportive si Lino for me to have my career.
Mm-mm.
Pero nung parang na-stop ko yung volleyball career ko, ngayon ko lang na-feel na, ang dami kong time. Like,
Mm.
yun nga, as a kalagkaran, feeling ko kung niyaya mo akong mag-Bangkok, mag-tennis retreat, sasama ako
Ay,
sa'yo.
sure naman ako dyan, pag ikaw.
Diba?
Yeah.
Sasama ako. So, I guess, iba rin talaga yung timeline ko na yung 20s is naka-bubble lang ako sa motherhood
Right.
compared to now na 30s.
Mas free ka na rin.
mas free na kasi yung kids are growing up.
Grown, yeah.
Mas matanda na yung mga kids. So parang, yun nga, I feel like iba rin yung timing ko. So,
Pero hindi ka na-frustrate nun, nung 20s mo, tapos you were a mom already.
ay, interviewer.
Like, sorry, nagtataka talaga
sige,
ako.
go.
Pero ang dami ko rin gusto itanong nga
Oh,
sa
sige,
kanya.
okay.
Ite-text ko na lang sa'yo.
Pero parang, ikaw, nung 20s, pageant all throughout. Diba? Yun yung
Oo.
mundo mo. So,
Hindi ka ba na-inis?
Hindi ka ba na-frustrate?
Binalik yung
Oo,
tanong. Hindi ka ba na-frustrate?
na, ito lang ba kaya kong gawin? Ganon.
Pero ako na-frustrate kasi ako. Parang, pageantry,
Oo.
di ba? Tapos nagka-crown na tayo.
Yeah.
Tapos we started our careers.
Right.
Tapos pag-apak ng 27 until I was like 32, I got so
32
much.
ka ba? Last pageant. MGI. How old were you? 26.
Hindi. 24 ako nagbinibini. 24, 25 ako nag-MGI.
MGI.
Oo.
Okay.
Wait, ano MGI?
Miss
Grand
Grand
International.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, ibang world.
Oo.
Go.
Yeah, so after pageantry, tas career, 27 years old to 32, 33, parang I got so much anxiety with the timeline.
Yeah.
Na parang,
In what sense?
I should be settling down.
Yung pressure.
I wanna have a family. Tapos
Was
the
it because your parents are asking you to asking questions like that? Di ba parang normal naman sa province
Oo.
na the aunts, the uncles
Pero
are
it's not
asking.
necessarily because of the parents din. Kasi kung nakita nilang hindi ko naman gusto, they would just let me
Hindi
be.
naman. Oo.
Oh, pero kasi I had a boyfriend that time. Parang, syempre, saan
May
kayo
expectations,
papunta? Oo,
right,
pero kung wala
right.
naman akong boyfriend, I don't think they mind. Kasi they see me enjoying life and everything.
And they're supportive of that.
Oo.
Mm.
So now, parang baliktad na. I'm in my 30s. Kaya
Oo.
natatanong ko rin si Phil na parang,
Since napagdaanan niya na
oo,
lahat. Oo.
na parang, is it something na parang medyo FOMO ba dapat? I mean, baliktad kasi. It's literally
my.
baliktad eh. So,
medyo maaga si
is it
Phil.
something na parang, trust the timing na lang?
Oo.
Siguro swerte lang din nahanap ko sa Lino.
Tama.
And then,
Oo.
I really wanted to have kids young. Like,
Ah.
ako yung ganun. I wanted
Ever since we're college, ganun na talaga yung
Like,
nasa isip mo. Like, you
parang
were ready.
gusto ko mag-asawa na ako. Yung boyfriend ko din, kahit
Ah.
ready na ako mag-settle. Pero buti na lang hindi.
How about you, Nix?
Dodge
Kasi,
the bullet.
kasi ako, before, I was really scared. Kasi yun yung turo sa amin. Na parang, pag nag-boyfriend ka, mabubuntis ka, mapapariwara ka. So, in my head,
Sobrang
when I was in
negative.
college, takot talaga ako. Hindi ako nakipag-date. No jowa. Jowa after college.
Talaga.
Oo. Iba yung mindset ko in the province kasi iniisip ko talaga
Pero saan
na
ka ba?
Mindanao. I was in Mindanao.
Okay.
Kaya, alam mo yun, iba-iba kasi.
Iba
Kaya
yun.
wala sa isip ko yung gusto ko mag-asawa, gusto ko magkaanak.
Very traditional.
If this episode made you laugh, think, or suddenly text your friend, "Are we doing life right?" You're in the right place. Follow Trentitas so you never miss an episode, and share it with a fellow 30-something who's also balancing dreams, bills, and existential questions. Because let's be honest, nobody really knows what they're doing in their 30s. We're all just figuring it out. Stick around for more real talk, good vibes, and conversations that make adulthood a little less confusing. This is Trentitas, your hangout for surviving your 30s.